Hey, gym business owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business? You've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your gym. Let's jump into it. Now, if you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Marty Sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to start the free trial. So be sure to click on the link below this video to start that 7-day free trial. See how well Marty Sites works for you and your small business. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's go ahead and search for our market, gym. There's various gym templates like CrossFit gym, boxing gym, but for this one, I'm just going to select the general gym. Great, let's on Marty Sites a few basic details about our gym so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region where you're operating from. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Now, once you click on that continue button, Marty Sites will do all the hard work and generate a simple website for your business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because I'm going to be the one to show you around. The great thing about the Marty Sites platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well if you like. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your gym. It's literally easy enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. To make any changes on the Marty Sites platform, you don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way or have any web development skills, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's click on that first section at the top. Pop in a few basic details about my business, like my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so I'm going to go ahead and click on show email and site. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, you can pop it in here, and when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, physical location, be taken directly to Google Maps to find out how to get to your gym. Underneath updates, social links is where you can put on the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Marty Sites website. If you have a business logo, you can head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo, like cropping it, rotating it by clicking on that pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. To change any of the call to action buttons or the images, perhaps for each section, just click on that update section button. Underneath update image is where you can browse the device to upload your own images, or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from, as you can see. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account and link those photos to your Marty Sites websites if you have an Instagram profile for your business. Now, underneath the updated actions where we have those call to action buttons, you can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with different pricing points for your gym services, or link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings for classes or private sessions. And the last section at the bottom is where we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you over here, and you can keep track of all those leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can absolutely connect it by clicking on connect your domain at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your local area. Go ahead and click on the button as well. At the bottom, you can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Marty Sites platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give me that thumbs up. and check out our other videos for some small business marketing tips. You'll find loads of valuable information. If you have any questions about the platform, pop them down below. I'll see you real soon.